medyo mysterious na coach na si Coach Obet Javier na nakausap natin kanina sa Perpetual. She only averages 4.8 points per match. Samantala, quick attack, Ramirez, nakita si CJ Rosario. Service aces per match. So yun talaga ang isa sa kanilang mga strengths.
Yeah, that's her strong. Ngayon naman, pinosport niya. You see variation in her spikes.
And somehow, Rhea Sante was able to send that back over to the CSB side. Paano nila nagawa yun?
Sheer will. Will to win. Hanggat hindi pa pumap...
So naman, wala pa rin. Backset ni Cheng para kay Sante yan. Popped up by Sante. Quick attack! Tinapos si Shirley Salamagos.
That was a really good hit down in the middle.
Mga katanungan na ibibigay ng ating mga manonood. Siyempre sa'yo. Ball is hit high up into the sky. Cheng to Navarro.
That did not go over. Ang tagal nung rally. Grabe rin yung endurance ng mga babaeng.
Nung una silang naglaban last January 8, it was also a very crucial match. And this one is even more crucial dahil yusin ng Lady Chief dito ang kanilang timing para madepensahan ang mga palo katulad ng ginawa ngayon ni Janine Navarro.
That went through the blockers.
Rania Musa. Medyo tahimik pa dito sa bakbakan na to. Navarro was really far away from the net but somehow she was still able to get that ball to the other side.
Let's see in the replay. Look at the kabilang team. That's good for you also kasi they're gonna go to the open hitter.
Samantala, ang pambawi naman ng CSB ay isang napakalupit na palo mula kay Jeanette Panaga. Alam mo, kailangan talaga. Kasi kung matatalo itong Arellano University, tapos na ang kanilang season, they will beat the elimination round.
Big points from her.
Sante.
Great blocking. Great blocking by CSB. Kita mo, ready na. Big contribution.
Pero ito ang pambawi ni Shirley Salamagos.
Hindi magpapadaig. Ipa na. Hindi naman talaga. It's just to pump up her teammates. Nakaka-intimidate yung ganun. Pero knowing her naman na outside the court, she's this parang mother figure rin siya.
Mentioned there are 10 players on this Arellano team na bahagi ng championship ng nakaraan.
He sees his bench as being deeper as compared to CSB.
I find that 24-23. Will this be the winning point para sa St. Benilde? And Jeanette Panaga ends the match. Coach Maki Carino finally.
Who do they go to? Si Pangs. She's been hot in this game, making points off serves, blocks, and spikes.
Isa pang anggulo, Jeanette Panaga, the winning point that booked a return trip to the finals para sa College of St. Benilde. We'll be back to put the finishing touches on this exciting win by the Lady Blazers.